Welcome to all. I am N. Nithya Devi, Research Scholar, Department of Mathematics, Periyar University, Salem. My topic is numerical solution of hybrid fuzzy fractional differential equation in a Hilbert space. Abstract. The appearance of required differential equation is a significant problem in applied science and engineering, while the numerical method to solve such a dynamical system is to use hybrid fuzzy fractional differential equation. In this paper, we study the numerical solution of the hybrid fuzzy fractional differential equation by using the reproducing kernel Hilbert space method. The result depends on creating an orthogonal basis from the kernel function and the solutions which with arrangement structure regarding their arced representation in Hilbert space. Models are required with a point of the theory. Introduction. Consider the hybrid fuzzy fractional differential equation d beta x of t function f of t comma x of t lambda k x k. T belongs to tk plus 1, beta belongs to 0 comma 1, x of tk equal to xk, where 0 less than or equal to t naught, less than t, less than etc. tk, etc. tk tends to infinitive. Fk belongs to c r plus into e into comma e. Lambda k belongs to c e comma e, where we assume that the extension and unique solution of the hybrid system hold on each tk comma tk plus 1. The system would look like d beta x of t, d beta x naught of t, function x naught lambda naught, d beta lambda x1 of t, f of t comma x1 of t lambda 1 x1, d beta xk etc. xk, xk of t lambda xk of t, function to t naught less than or equal to t less than or equal to t1, t1 less than or equal to t less than or equal to t2, etc. tk less than or equal to t less than or equal to tk plus 1. And then introduction. By the solution equation number 1, we obtain the following function initial condition: x of t equal to x of t comma t naught comma x naught, x naught of t, t belongs to t naught comma t1, x1 of t, t belongs to t1 comma t2, xk of t, t belongs to tk plus 1. We note that the solution of 1 are piecewise differentiable in each interval for t belongs to tk plus 1 for a fixed xk belongs to e and k equal to 0 to 1 to etc. An important definition: let E be a non-empty set. A function k from E into E tends to C is a reproducing kernel Hilberts of H if the following conditions are satisfied. For each t belongs to E, k inner product comma t belongs to H. For each t belongs to E and pi belongs to H, pi inner product pi of dot k dot comma t equal to pi of t. Then reproducing property. Second one is the reproducing property. Next definition, the inner product space definition, and then reproducing kernel theorem. Importance theorem, analytic and approximate solution. To apply the reproducing kernel Hilbert space method, you define linear operator Lk from W to H. Such Lk or k of t equal to d beta x r of t. Put f function arced method f1r comma f2r, xr equal to x1r comma x2r, lk equal to diagonal of l1k comma l2k. Two function is available here. Lk xr of t equal to f for t comma xr of t lambda k x of t xtk equal to xk, where xr belongs to w a comma b and fr belongs to h a comma b. Next theorem result: the operators lk from w to 3 a comma b tends to w to 1 a comma 3, k equal to 1 2 are boundary and linear. Next theorem for equation 4, if ti tends to I equal to 1 to infinitive is tends to on a comma b, then psi I j of t I equal to 1 to infinitive j equal to 1 to 2 is the complete function system of w a comma b, and psi I j of t equal to L k k x comma y a comma b, and the solution of equation 4 is unique, then the analytic solution of equation 4 satisfies the form xk tk equal to summation I equal to 1 to infinitive summation j equal to 1 to 2 beta ij f for t comma x r of t lambda k xk psi bar of ij of t. And this one is proof. Apply above theorem. Given result psi bar of ij of t I equal to 1 to infinitive j equal to 1 to 2 is the complete orthogonal basis of w a comma b, since xr of t by ij of t equal to xjr of t for each xr of t belongs to w a comma b, and summation I equal to 1 to infinitive summation j equal to 1 to 2 xr of t by r pi bar of j of t inner product pi ijr of t is a Fourier series effort psi bar of ij of t I equal to 1 to infinitive j equal to 1 to 2, then the series summation I equal to 1 to infinitive summation j equal to 2 xr of t psi bar of ij of t psi bar of ij of t is convergence in the sense dot product. Then we have xr tk summation I equal to 1 to infinitive summation j equal to 1 to 2 xr of t psi bar of ij of t psi bar of ij of t goes to beta ij psi bar of ij, beta ij goes to inner product outside, psi bar of ij goes to lk star pi ij of t. Lk goes to inner product first function Lk x square of t pi ij of t. This one is goes to function f for t comma x r of t lambda k xk, and comma inner product goes to function f for t comma xr of t lambda k xk psi bar of ij of t. Therefore given analytic function is satisfies. This one is x or tk, and then second result is power n, x power n of tk equal to summation I equal to 1 to n summation j equal to 1 to 2 beta ij f of t comma xr of t lambda k x of t pi bar of ij of t. And then construction of iterative method, this one goes to 1 2 3 iterative xr tk equal to summation I equal to 1 to infinitive summation j equal to 1 to 2 lij by r of ij of t x power n of tk equal to summation I equal to 1 to infinitive j equal to 1 to 2 beta ij psi bar of ij of t. Beta ij goes to result split up in the beta 1j beta 2j etc beta nj. This one is iterative process of AO equation. We have ensured that the approximate xr of ntk satisfies the given initial condition. Example of this paper: consider the hybrid fuzzy fractional differential equation be defined by d beta x of t equal to x of t plus m of t lambda k x tk. T belongs to tk, tk plus 1, tk equal to k equal to 0 to 1 to etc. Beta belongs to 0 comma 1. Initial condition x of 0 equal to 0.75 plus 0.25 alpha comma 1.125 minus 0.125 alpha, 0 less than or equal to alpha less than or equal to 1, where m of t equal to 2 of t mod 1, 2 of 1 minus t mod 1, mod 1 less than or equal to 0.5, mod 1 greater than 0.5, lambda k mu result equal to 0 if k equal to 0, mu k equal to 1 to etc. For the exact solution of x of t 0 to 1, 1.5 to 2, and then table of this result alpha tends to 0 to 1, t equal to 0.1, t equal to 0.2, t equal to 0.3, and then beta varies from 1 by 3, beta equal to 1 by 2, beta equal to 1, t varies from 0.1 to 0.4. This one is references of this paper. Thank you so much for this opportunity for this conference.